Previously in our channel, we discussed on how to keep budgies as pets and prepare a basic cage for them. The link to the prior is given in the description. Today we will show how to make a simple home for diamond doves. I think this location in my room will be perfect. I started by putting old newspapers for the base. Let's put our DIY cage that we made earlier. To make the nest, I took a flower pot upside down and fixed the plastic bowl at the top of it. To prevent it from falling, I put some stones at the base of the pot. Time to decorate the house. First, I added a spider plant at the corner. A wooden plate at the base to elevate the nesting ground. I also added some common indoor plants like syngonium and jade plant. After adding some watermelon begonias, I think the nesting ground is complete. Now time to provide food and water for the doves. Birds make their own nest, but to do so, they need nesting materials, so I provided them some dry hays and coconut husks. For perching, I put some natural twigs of different shapes and sizes. I think the setting is finally complete. If you like our video, then do hit a like and subscribe our channel. The idea was to keep one side of the cage for nesting and resting, while the other side for feeding and foraging. Finally, it's time to add the birds. So here comes my pretty lady. The handsome guy was patiently waiting for his partner, so without delay, I got him too. Diamond doves are mostly ground-dwelling birds, so it is recommended to provide them enough space to walk. This cage is ideal for a pair as they can fly and move around freely and can utilize every corner of their home. And as expected, they started exploring the cage immediately. While the male was tired moving around and decided to take some rest, the female went to explore the area more. The next day, they made a nest in the bowl and the female started sitting over it and the male was seen looking after his partner. We would love to make an introduction video on diamond doves soon. Till then, be sustainable and be creative.